Hello and welcome to English Comprehension. This is a mixture of a bit of English and a bit of science mixed together. We're looking at how to make a simple circuit. So let's have a look at this together. So if a battery is connected to a bulb using two wires to make a circuit, the bulb lights up. If we add a switch, the bulb can be turned on and off. So here's the battery. That's where we get our power from. This is the light bulb. And we have two wires here, a black wire and a red wire. And if you connect these all together, and if you switch on the switch, if you have a switch as well, which is here, then we can turn the light bulb on. A switch can make a gap in the circuit. When the gap is open, the electric current cannot flow around the circuit. The electricity cannot jump across the gap. So again, we have a light bulb, we have a battery, and we have a switch which makes a gap in the circuit. Can you see this small gap here? There's a gap just there. All right. So when the gap is open, the electric current cannot flow between these wires. So this gap needs to be closed for the electric current to flow through these wires. So when the gap is closed, the electricity flows and the light comes on. So you can see the light flowing just there, glowing there. And the gap is closed. Can you see that switch now? This switch is closed and the previous switch was open, which means that the electric current can now flow right the way through the wires. So switches can be used for many jobs, such as controlling lights, radios, and TV sets. In an emergency, they can be used to get help using Morse code. Switches can come in different shapes and sizes. A wall switch can be used for putting on the light inside a house. A push switch can be used to ring a doorbell. Secret pressure pad switches can be used to detect burglars walking across a carpet, for example. Most electrical goods have a switch to turn them on or off. And you've got some examples here. So you've got the alarm there for a switch. The burglars just walked across this automatic switch and the alarm goes off. You've got the light switch in your house. You've got the computer switch here. And you've got a socket in your house as well. So various different examples, okay? So I hope this makes sense. Read it again if you want some more clarity. And you've got some questions thereafter to answer straight after this particular comprehension. But let's just work out the first question together, shall we? So to make a simple circuit, you need two wires, a bulb and a watt. So to make a simple circuit, you need two wires, a bulb, and a watt. So I think, let's go back here, have a look in this first section. So if a battery is connected to a bulb using two wires to make a circuit, the bulb lights up. So we're looking at here the battery. So our answer in this case is going to be D. Okay, good luck with the rest of the questions. Thank you.